Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix age restriction on X, you've come to the right place. So first of all, you need to open X, and here you need to make sure that you have enough age. For example, you click on edit profile, and here in date of birth you need to change your date of birth, but you need to know that you can only change it a few times, and that's all. And once you've done that, click on settings and privacy, and here choose privacy and safety. Once you've done that, you need to find content you see, and here click on search settings, and here you can turn off or turn on hide sensitive content. If you turn it off, you will see sensitive content, and once you've done that, you need to choose sensitive media, and here we need to choose adult content and to show or hide adult content. For example, I will choose show all adult content, and in others we need to choose, do we want or don't we want to see sensitive media. So for example, I choose show all sensitive media, and that's all. Now I can see adult and sensitive content in my X account. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.